People say a man is made out of mud. A woman's made out of muscle and blood. Muscle and blood, skin and bones, and the mind that's weak and the body that's strong. You know, 16 toes, and what do you get? Enough of it all, the different day. Should be
Old school, so you can feel cool. Give it to me, baby. Baby. Yeah.
Can go out my soul to the company store. If you see me go, better step aside. A lot of red teens and a lot of red night. One fist on my room, the other is two. Need a right one gadget and the left one will.